So let's start with the food. I'm hungry.
Oh wow, this looks amazing. I'm gonna dig in, yeah.
Where's this from?
From Hola.
Hola, but where are they from?
It's from Ola. I think like big weddings is what, or grand weddings or massive weddings is synonymous with your company name. So tell me about your story.
When did you start? When did you originate? When did you have an idea of, starting with an event planning business altogether?
सपने बहुत बड़े बड़े देखे थे और ख्वाब बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े थे और ये इंडस्ट्री बिल्कुल नहीं थी. I started doing chartered accountancy, cleared my intermediate, and then realized, okay, this is not what I want to do. I really always thought कि जहाँ पर मेरा मन लगता हो, जहाँ पर मुझे something which I enjoyed is one I want.
मजा आता.
मतलब you shouldn't feel like ये मेरा काम है. So I think things fell in place. Event was something which was coming up. Event मतलब था नहीं कुछ भी. It was nothing like कि इसको event बोलता है. And gradually you can say कि I am one of the people who started with that industry. My forte was my vision. I can sense things whether it will take off or not. I launched a lot of artists in India. Right from I started working with Bombay Rockers, then Jay Sean came. Gradually then Atif came, Rahat came, RDB came. So all big names started coming, and I was the only one from Calcutta and who was handling the entire stuff exclusively for them. So if MTV had to do a shoot, they had to contact me. Stuff like that. If somebody, suppose Mahesh Bhatt needs a song, he needed to contact me. So all those things fell in my lap because of my vision towards it.
Where did event management come in place?
Well, I started in the industry as an event manager in 2004. It wasn't The Solutionist then. It was USP Entertainment Solutions. So I was a DJ for almost 16 years before we got it.
What are you saying?
Yeah, I started DJing in 97. And I used to sing and play drums in a band before that.
Nice.
So when I was DJing, I was not 100% DJing. I used to just do gigs. I did my hotel management. I was working in hotels. I was doing my college. Then I was in Delhi for a bit. I was in the US for a bit. Then when I shifted back to Kolkata as a full-time DJ, that was in January of 2003. All my friends from Delhi, the event managers I knew from Delhi, when they had requirements here in Calcutta, they would call me and say कि यार sound करवा दे, या light करवा दे, projector करवा दे. Do you know any fabricator? तो मैं stage भी बना रहा था and मैं lights भी कर रहा था, sound भी कर रहा था. I was doing everything, but I was still not a event manager. So there came a point when I was like कि why not jump into this. So that's when I started USP Entertainment Solutions. DJ Harish was my partner at that time, and we started this. We started weddings in 2007, about 2-3 years later. So that's how it came into being, and we changed the name to The Solutionist about 3-4 years back.
How did you come up with this name, and how did you come up with the brand A to Z Events, and what made you get into wedding planning?
Javed and I, we fell in love, and that's how A to Z originated. And we met when we were doing our degree in event management. We started off in 2012, but weddings mein full-fledged 2013 se we stepped in. We wanted to do this intellectual property sort of our own event, जिसको हम लोग के टर्म में इंटेलेक्चुअल प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं. We did this kite festival sort of thing, and it was like Calcutta's attempt to break another record of maximum number of people flying kites at the same time.
Okay.
The first record holder was from Ahmedabad.
Okay. You wanted to break the record of Ahmedabad.
Yeah, that time we just passed out. We had experience, मतलब ऐसे event में काम, पर we had no idea what we were getting into. And we broke the record. media was everywhere, and it was like sort of technically our first event.
Okay, so you broke the records in the first ever event.
We started off by breaking the records.
What inspired you to start in this industry?
I was actually a banker. I was a financial analyst with a bank in Bombay. My father's been in the industry since the past 2 decades. So a friend of mine was getting married. I sort of approached her for the wedding. It was a big fat wedding, my first project where I got involved. That wedding itself was such a big hit that after that is when I felt this is my calling. From being a banker, I became a wedding planner. Like that's not something that I'd ever dreamt of being in the experiential space. Thus came forward on Vogue. That's when we created the company. And yeah, then since then, there's been no looking back.
Frankly, there were no plans to start an event management company or to be into the wedding planning space. I started off my career into the industry when I was 16. I started off with shishas and we introduced them to Calcutta.
You introduced Shisha to Calcutta.
Yes, we did. And it was good fun. We did make a lot of friends. We did introduce something new, which is now like a staple diet in everybody's lives. And slowly when we started, off the shishas, it was very natural as a progression because I was also DJing while I was doing shishas.
Okay, you were a DJ too.
Yeah. Fun. It was, I was just finishing school and exploring new ideas and it was just fun.
So you're quite a game changer, huh?
It was good fun at that time. A very big break for us definitely was the largest events that happened in Calcutta called ACT 2014. It was by an organization called Entrepreneurs Organization, and this happened in Calcutta. Okay. And we had the likes of Imran Khan from Pakistan, Vijay Mallya, we had Kumar Mangalam Birla, we had Julian Assange live. So it was great learning, and that actually, catapulted us to where we are today. And from there, it's just been a happy journey from there till now. So each client you work for opens more avenues for you, more doors for you. But definitely ACT 2014 was a game changer for all of us.
We started around 22 odd years ago when events in Calcutta was not even there. We used to just have let's say a May Queen ball.
Okay.
That was every club in Calcutta, they have it kind of a thing. That's where I started it. So, and then I'd got an opportunity to work in a Shah Rukh event.
Okay.
And I knew Morani brothers were the top guys who used to handle Shah Rukh worldwide. And they're big producers and big time in Bombay. And that time they were much, much bigger. And there were 3 brothers, Ali Morani, Mohammad Morani, Kareem Morani.
Okay.
And I knew the names, but I did not know if all 3 of them, who's Ali, who's Kareem, or who's Mohammad. So when they came to Calcutta, I knew that they came to Calcutta and met them. And luckily, there was some commotion happened. So they wanted a local guy to,
Help them
out because of the language and some issue happening with the production and all that, permissions and all that stuff. And there I was bingo,
Suddenly in charge of everything.
So they were like, oh, okay, yeah, Vijay, help us. And that's how I got into it. And since the passion was there, so I went all out with that.
16 years of this journey in the same industry, which is about entertainment and which is about making things grand and bigger or running things smooth. But what keeps you going? What is your inspiration? What makes you as awesome as you are right now?
I like the spotlight on me. That's what keeps me going.
I mean, the roller coaster ride in my career, probably, the uncertainties or the ups and downs, you can call it, or the surprise elements which keeps on coming down.
Every day is a new day, believe me, and every day is a new challenge. And there's so much learning. It's an ocean. This entire business is an ocean. So that thought process of being able to create new stuff for clients every day and you don't know what you're walking into is what keeps us going.
Out of all the planning and everything that goes in, when somebody comes and tells you that the event was really nice, what they felt, what they experienced was very nice, that feeling is incredible. It's out of the world. It's very difficult to explain that emotion, but that's what I live for every day, to see that smile on those people's faces.
बहुत कुछ आता नहीं है, सीख रहा हूँ, बहुत कुछ सीखूंगा और वहाँ पहुँचूंगा. That is what I have thought. And trust me, I always, ये मैंने सीखा है कि अपने से कम उम्र के लोगों से ही दोस्ती करो, कारण जो वो सिखाते हैं वो अपने उम्र के लोग नहीं सिखाते। तो नयापन को सलाम, और नयापन से ही सब कुछ सीखना है। नए लोगों से मिलते हैं, आपसे कुछ सीख के जाऊंगा।
मैं सिखाऊंगी।
जरूर सिखाइए।
Take a deep breath. Action. It's like